Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI X3 Immunoassay, Chemiluminescence Immunoassay Analyzer. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI X3. It is a brand new Chemiluminescence Immunoassay Analyzer. Here we can see this is a refit reader. Over here we can place the reagents, also place the samples here. Here we can see the indications here. This is our place we can load the starter packs, a wash concentrate, and also a used reaction, a empty cup. This is a indications for to load the starter, wash concentrate, a empty reagent box. This is a overall view of this front side. On the top we can see a empty space. Here we can see this is a indicator light. This is a overall view of this analyzer. In this side is a plain SIM. On the down we can see this is where we should place the sensors. The first one, a thick waste liquid outlet, and second one, thin waste liquid outlet. Third one, external system liquid. Over here we can place the sensors here and connect the tubes here. There is a two. See, I repeat, here the place we should place the sensors. Here the place we could shoot the connectors. This is a view of the side panel. This is an overall view of the side panel. The next one on the back. On the back side we can see the indication of this is a plain back side. So this is the overall view of this analyzer. Here we go for consumables. These are the consumables come with this analyzer. I show the first one. This is the importance of analyzer. A sample tubes is there, sample tracks, connecting tubes, dedicated for needle coordination. These are the tiny one. This is called positioning tool. These are different types. These are all are positioning tools. Here we can see the positioning tools is there, and also sample tubes is there. This is a key for analyzer. I can show where the key should used. This is the place where you can use the keys. Analyzer view, and here we can see tool for pipette, cleaning needle, or also this not only key, this also contains the fuse. I'm going to take this out. Here we can see this is also containing a fuse. I'm going to keep this aside. These are the consumables there. And second part, this is reagent store box, 2 nozzles, reagent store box, and reaction cup box 1. This is a thick waste liquid box container there. And here we can see the power cords cable, a sample reagent box. It is an empty box, not reagent. This is a sample reagent empty box. The RS cables there. So these are the cables to connect the PC, and also the power cord of analyzer, a wrenches, and also a screwdriver is there. I'm going to keep this aside. And next one is, we already seen there. These are the wire, a bunch wire cable. Here we can insert the cables throughout this molding. So here we can see these are the sensor cables and also connecting tubes. Over here we can see this is a sensor cable, and also it's connected with the connecting tube. these are connecting with, there are 3 nozzles, yellow, red, this is a red and this is a green and this one is yellow. So where should these cables are placed in analyzer? I can show you. Here you can insert the cables in this side. They are also representing the colors also. So these are the overall view of the consumables. I can show the next one. And next one, the remaining containers for thick and also waste. This box contains a PC. This is a PC I can show you. And this one contains a mouse and also a keyboard. And this is the one like monitor. These are the consumables. Also we can call consumable box. And these consumables, the monitor, all are comes with one box. So here we go for today we can see about the MAGLUMI Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI X3 analyzer. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics and product name MAGLUMI X3. This is a brand new analyzer, Chemiluminescence Immunoassay analyzer, and also it comes with consumables, a reagent box, reagent sample cup, thick waste liquid, the overall view of the consumables. This is another view. This is another view of consumables for PC, monitor, keyboard and remaining containers. So this is a front view. Thank you.